The other day I was conducting regular business, getting in a back workout when two of my friends told me they'll go to the gym with me. Normally I go at a pretty strange hour, so I was hyped to work out. And when they got there, my friend Oliver started telling me about his current situation. He had finished an important exam that he needed for college, and the colleges that he wanted to go to already accepted him, leading him to be in a pretty comfortable situation. He goes to the library, but simply takes a nap because he's completed all of those goals that he had. But for some reason, that same comfort that he felt having achieved those goals makes him feel uncomfortable. He feels lazy and ambitionless, living without a goal. And I realized that I've also been in this situation countless times. And every single time I've been there, I realized I got back to my regular state with the same 3 steps. Take a second to rate your happiness level from 1 to 10. No matter what number you say, it's completely up to you. Let's put it into perspective. How is it possible that someone with a terminal illness lives a happier life than you? Live a more enjoyable life than you? Their situation is undoubtedly worse than yours, yet they still manage to be happier. Now, like I read once in Naval Ravikant's almanac, when was the last time you made the decision to be happy? It can't be that simple, right? Realize that you are the reason that you're not happy. You are the reason that your life isn't what you want it to be. Assume full responsibility. Even if there are some things that are outside of your control, you can control much more than you think, so just take responsibility. Take it upon yourself to change your situation. All of your past decisions have led you to the current life that you have. So if you want to keep living this exact life, do what you used to do. If you want a different life, you need to do different things. For example, if you have a belly, that was caused by every single little decision that you took, like eating one more cookie. And even your mindset is a result of your past decisions. The reason that someone isn't as disciplined as they would want to be is not because they weren't born like that. It's because all of those little weak decisions added up and now they don't have the discipline that they would want. Now, once that you've accepted that the way that you feel and the way that your life is going is completely on you, we can move on to the next step. Let's picture this. I'm the greatest pirate who ever sailed the seas, and you tell me to go from Spain to Alaska, but I have no map or compass. I might make it, but it's not probable. Now, if I'm just a mediocre pirate, but I have a map and a compass, I think it's more probable that I'll make it. This is why you need goals and objectives. If you don't have the map and compass, then stop, and as soon as you can, make it. Write down your goals, short-term and long-term. Create a plan. Sharpen that vision of exactly the life that you want to live. Genghis Khan, the greatest conqueror ever, said, "Without the vision of a goal, a man cannot manage his own life, much less the lives of others." Now, going back to my friend Oliver, he realized why he felt this way. He had no current goals, so he took accountability for the way that he felt and wrote down new goals. One of these was get jacked in the gym, which even better leads me to the next point. Oliver crafted this goal to get swole, and now all that was missing was the daily actions. And where was Oliver the day he set his goal? Training back and chest with me, and that's a fucking example to follow. Plan in itself means nothing if you don't execute on it. It's simply words on a paper. When you add action to those words on the paper, it becomes more and more real every single day. Every single long-term goal that you have seems distant when you think about it now. So fuck that. Break it down to daily actions. If I tell you right now to become the boxing champion and start making $10,000 every month, it seems extremely difficult and distant. But breaking it down to exactly what daily actions will take you there makes you feel much more in control of the outcome. If someone else has done it before, then what is stopping you from doing it too? All of these quote-unquote successful people are the same as you. Even they say it. They just put their head down and got to fucking work. I realized I hadn't really made the 3 steps clear, but it's taking accountability for the position you find yourself in, writing a detailed plan, and taking daily actions that are gonna get you there. Anyone can simply just stop and talk about how much their life sucks, and how they wish that that happened, and why couldn't this have happened? But it takes a real man or woman to take it upon themselves to change it, and to pull yourself down and understand that you aren't doing everything in your power to change your situation. And I probably shouldn't be telling you this because YouTube prefers when you watch more than one of my videos in a row. But get the fuck off YouTube and let's get to work. Boom, boom, boom!